We shall see. Ravana is saying, we shall see, I can reduce mountains to dust and whip up storms in the oceans. Willing or unwilling, you are coming with me. Come on. He said, we shall see who is greater. I can break mountains and make it into dust, and I'll crack a whip and I'll bring storms in the ocean and sea. What is your husband ocean you are talking about? Willing or unwilling, you are now coming with me. No chance, you have to come. Sita continues shouting for help and struggling as she carried off by Ravana. Few moments pass, then both Rama and Lakshmana arrive at the scene. By then he is on his way off with Sita. After some time, both the brothers, what deer they went to catch, they got food, they've come back to their house. Rama understood. Too late, she's gone, she's taken. He falls on the ground on his knees. Sita, oh my Sita, what have we done? It was their fault. They left and went after the deer, and Lakshman also went off, hearing his voice. He said, what have we done? Where have you gone? Sita, oh my Sita. He loved her so much. Now Lakshman is saying, oh brother, forgive me, I left her. Oh brother, forgive me, I left her. I don't know what to do now. And so did I, Rama is saying. So did I. We were tricked, fooled. You warned us. There was no deer, it was Rakshasa, and I killed him. Rakshasa. Rakshasa. And I killed him. He came to know that the deer was him. So and that help shouting was that deer fellow, but by the time Rama had killed him. We were tricked, and he's telling Lakshman that you warned us, but we didn't listen to you. We must always listen, think before we do anything. This is the moral of the story. Lakshmana, I thought that you were being killed, that's why I left Sita and ran, but he had put that circle. Rama gets angry, hero of the story. We will find her, Lakshman, and free her. Even if it takes all our strength, all our lives, Sita, we are coming. Whatever happens, I will not let Sita go away. I will bring her back. As many lives go, whatever strength, we'll put all our strength in and get back my Sita. Sita, I am coming. We are coming. Both run off and go to get Sita. Story ends. So guys, in life we have to be positive. Think before we do something. Always. Then we can go a lot far. Then we will be able to take things further. Then we will be able to do something in life. Otherwise it's going to be a huge lot of problem. Okay. So let's hope for the best. You read both these stories, that Salty Sea and Rama and Sita. Read, understand, and attempt the question answers. After that, your Anand sir is there, don't worry. I am there to help you out, at your service 24/7. So guys, take care. Wish you all happy pujas, and wish you a happy Ram Navami week. Oh sorry, Navratra week. I don't know. So Navratra, happy Navratra. In Gujarat, when I was there, we used to have this Dandiya dance and all this 9 nights. I used to go and watch. So I enjoy all religions. I respect all religions. I respect all cultures, and I love to learn as much as possible. So happy Navratra, and be good. Pray to God that everything becomes fine. Listen to your parents. Love them. Listen. Always listen to your parents, what they say. Otherwise you will get tricked in life. Okay? So best of luck. God bless, and you have fun. Happy pujas. Bye bye.